not second guessing if this stage is going to hold us. We ordered a stage, the stage came, and now we're standing on the stage. We don't second guess it. Oh, is it going? No, we just stand on it. We walk on it.
Not decide which
But there are some promises that God has given us, words that have yet to come to pass, and sometimes we're afraid that we won't be able to. It's like it's shaky.
So I'll advise you to this.
But the Lord is saying, if the word that I gave you before, if you're standing in it right now, why do you doubt the word that I've given you for the future? The same God, different word, but the same God. Different promise, but the same God. And he said, Naomi, you've got evidence. You're the living proof that I keep promises and my word. He said, you've got evidence. You don't need to look around. You're the living proof that I keep